How to redeem Minecraft gift card on mobile. So if you want to redeem Minecraft gift card on mobile, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need simply go with your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. Here you need to search for Minecraft. After searching, you need to scroll down, go with www.minecraft.net. It will take you to the official website. Go with the top right, which has that three dots, and if you're on your desktop site, you need to go with your mobile site. Here you need to scroll down, and after scrolling down here you will have an account option. So you just need simply go with account, which is right here, and under account you will have redeem. Tap on redeem and it will ask you for the redemption code. So first you need to enter your code, which is 25-digit code that can be found with proof of purchase, card, receipt, or email. After that, you need to have an active Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account, and then you need to confirm to apply the item to your account, and it will be redeemed. So in this way you'll be able to redeem. So you just need simply go with the redemption code, tap on that, and then enter your code and tap on redeem. That's how you can redeem your Minecraft gift card in your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.